Alright, hey y'all, so I'm coming on here really quick to talk about my hair. I've had it in for about 2 weeks now, almost 2 weeks, and I'm tired of it. I'm taking this up bitch out. I was gonna do a video of me taking it down, but I might do that the next time I use this. And I'm actually coming on here to discuss on how this is a fail. So my first video up of this is a fail video, and now I have to redo it to show y'all the right way. So first of all, it's a fail because I didn't have a damn braid that I missed. Like, I thought I had one braid and I was like, oh, found another braid, and then next thing you know, found another braid when I had no hair. That's my first fail, not managing my hair enough. Another fail was my braid pattern, which is a big key in crochet. So actually I've had all my braids going back, but really the front should have been like back this way, and then I should have had one right here going up. That'll make sense when I do it again. But I was gonna do that, and then I was like, nah, I don't have to do that. But now I realize, yeah, I need to do that because of the way my hair grows, and because it just looks weird. Also, the hair, my braids in the middle are way too big. Like, the ponytail is not as flat as it could be. When I put my bun up, it's not as flat as it could be. To me, it just looks a mess. Nobody else notices, but I know. I don't care what anybody else thinks, but it's my hair, my head, so I want to look good. So yeah, I'm actually gonna braid the hair differently. I could keep the same braid pattern sort of, but the whole looping action, the snaking, your braids have to be really small for that. So this braid pattern is not very forgiving at all, because it'll be like the part where it loops, like it'll be empty right here. So say this is the braid, this will be a braid here, this will be a braid here, there'll be nothing here. So you have to fill in this blank spot with crochet hair, which is not a problem, but the part without a braid will lay flatter than the part with the braid. So it's not very uniform. It's a mess, and this got to go because the sun is beating on my head. My scalp is dirty, my head is itching, this is heavy. And yeah, I'm gonna wash this using apple cider vinegar. And yeah, I mean, I kept it in because, you know, I like the worn, why am I struggling to say words? I like the worn look of hair, especially dreads, because dreads, they're not completely shiny uniform. Like, the best dreads are the ones that look like they're locked, and this looks like, in the beginning it was looking like some tight coils. Now it's getting to look locked because it got like the frizzy look and all of that. So yeah, that's about it. Thanks for watching. Bye. Alright, so hello people of YouTube. Today I'll be doing crochet locks. Where's the hair? Oh, it's all the way up there. The hair is Kingston King Twist. I think that's the brand. Faux Locs, 24 strands, 18 inches. So yeah, I'm just gonna take my hair down. I'm gonna start the braiding pattern, and I'm gonna like come back on when I'm almost done with it.
Cause I want you, and I need you, and I'm down for you. and I need you, and I'm down for you always. Kiki, do you love me? Are you riding? Say you never ever leave from beside me, 'cause I want you, and I need you, and I'm down for you always. KB, do you love me? Are you riding? Say you never ever leave from beside me, 'cause I want you, and I need you, and I'm down for you always.
Alright, it says pre-twisted crochet loop ready to install 2-in-1 value pack, soft human hair texture. I mean, I felt softer, but I would consider this soft enough. Like, you don't want your dreads extra soft, because then that's just a damn coil. Kingston King twist now comes with pre-twisted blah blah blah. Carrying instructions: carefully wash with lukewarm water. Ooh, excuse me. Mild shampoo. I did not do that. Finger comb while washing. Finger comb is. Don't rub or twist hair. Apply conditioner and rinse. Use leave-in conditioner. This is fucking plastic. You're doing a whole hair routine. Drip dry to hair. Oh shit. Oh. Excuse me. Drip dry the hair. When completely dry, style as desired. Use a YG comb and stuff. Alright, this has to be for the loose hair, and they didn't freaking update it. I don't know how many packs homegirl got on her head, but she probably got about 10. This is 3 packs. Even 4 packs won't even do my head like this. Girl, you cute or whatever, but I don't know who did you like that. But yeah, that's basically it. I'll come back tomorrow to complete this. Yeah, I definitely have some gaps in there. So I'm gonna have my hair in a low ponytail tomorrow. Low bun probably, because I don't want this shit in my head. I'll come back tomorrow with better light and stuff to complete this. Alright, so I'm back. We got a new pack. I'm about to just fill in the spots. I must have filled in right here. There's a gap on the back braid. That's why there's sort of like this dip. There's a couple braids actually. I thought there was just one, but there's a couple braids with absolutely nothing on it. The big braid that I looped around my head is showing a little, so I'm just gonna fix that.
I go back to you. I go back to you. Long as I was sure, but I go back. beats for you. I know it's forward, but it's true. Won't I'd go back to you. You know my thoughts are running loose. It's just a thing you make me do, and I could fight.
Alright, so they said that this is 18 inches on the bag, box, whatever. This is a long ass 18 inches, let me tell you. Okay, I'm 5'1", 5'3", but damn, like, hold on, let me get a measuring tape. There's no way, there's no way. 19 inches. I get different color hair. I got 2 different colors. Oh well, highlights. Anyway, so that do look cute. Shopping or whatever. So yeah, I think I got color. I don't even know. This is 1B. It looks like 2 and 4. Can y'all see that? 2 different colors. This is a different colored one. Alright, so yeah, this stuff is so springy. It's so springy that if you're like pulling it into like a ponytail and it gets like stuck, it like sort of messes up. Like, see, like if you spring it so much and then it twists like backwards, it's hard to put it back. So I don't know if you can do the braidless method with this, but I'll be trying it. And I really don't mind that it did this because it looks more like a natural dread. I can't wait for this to get a little old so it can look more natural, but it's still cute.
Let a couple years water down how I'm feeling about you. And every time we talk, every single word builds up to this moment. And I gotta convince myself I don't want it, even though I do.